Hey guys, welcome to a new vlog. Not sure if I should call this Vlogmas because I'm not trying to do it every day, but if you know, New York just hit a snowstorm and it's time to play in the snow. So on today's agenda, we're gonna run around the city, enjoy this white, almost Christmas New York City, and get everything super organized and to film our new house tour. And I'm super excited because this new video is gonna be Christmas themed, literally out of nowhere. These are all my Asian sauces. Say hi. Anyway, let's get the day started. Look, there's snow. Wow. It is a true white New York. All right, please ignore my bed because I just spilled coffee this morning on my bedsheet, so everything was crazy. But this is my outfit today. Just a casual sweater and with some long boots. Also, I'm old and I'm scared of cold when the wind blows on my head, so that is why I'm wearing a beanie. Like, look at the road here. It's crazy. Alright, so I'm at Home Depot right now, getting some hanging tools for my mirror and the paintings. And I'm thinking about getting like a rug for my entrance area, like a doormat. So we'll see if we can find anything like that. I chose this one because it matches with the aesthetic. All right, we're done running the errands. I'm about to go to Rockefeller Center because I want to see Rockefeller and feel very Christmassy in New York. So we're gonna head uptown and I'll see you there. Guys, it's my dream came true. Come to see Rockefeller Center in snow. Wow, this is a magical feeling. Thank you. So cute. Alright, so I'm heading home now to get everything settled in. The sun is about to go down, so we're done with all that festive stuff today. I hope you guys enjoyed the Christmas vibe here in New York. I'm just trying to get everything ready for the apartment tour, hanging all the paintings and the mirrors. And yeah, so you gotta see me being my little handyman there. To show you guys the sunset here. It's beautiful, and I'm gonna show you more when I get home, but yes, here is the sunset that I promised you guys. I'm trying to put the hooks on the mirror so I can hang the mirror. The struggle is real because I'm no handyman and I don't know how to do this, so I'm just gonna go for it because because why not? Okay, I'm actually all right, let's do this. I can't. Literally, I was like, let's do this, and I just can't. I need a chair, actually. I'm too short. Just Katherine and her adult life in New York. Here we go. Finding the hook. Here we go. Oh! Yes! Okay, please, please, don't fall. Nothing falls, nothing breaks, please. Like, actually, I'm so impressed. I just became my own man's again. Let's go hang the painting. I want this painting. I'm gonna use my knees right here. Guys, this is the struggle of living alone. Jesus Christ. Okay. Guys, I don't know. I'm actually sweating. And please don't fall the rest of the things. Okay. It's not leveled, guys. It's not. I'm super happy right now. Yes, I instantly switched my sweatpants when I got home. But yes. Oh my god, the painting is finally up.
Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas. That's what Christmas is all about. Rocking around the Christmas tree at the Christmas party hop. Mistletoe hung where you can see every couple tries to stop.
Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed today's vlog, spending a whole snow day with me in New York. I'm gonna end this vlog right here just to finish off writing the cards for my friends. I'm actually quite tired, so I'm just gonna make some simple dinner. I hope you get a feeling of New York as well. That's definitely something that I look forward to so much because I've never seen New York like this, especially that white Christmas in New York, you know, that we dream of, that we saw from the movies. So I hope I created a little bit of that feeling for you. If you want to see more of these lifestyle video and my experience in New York, make sure to follow me on Instagram and subscribe. I love sharing my experience here, just, you know, being alone and adulting and having everything figured out myself. I enjoy sharing my vulnerability. I enjoy sharing my experience. And I hope for some of you that coming to New York is one of your dreams. I hope my vlogs and my videos can give you more of an insight. So with that being said, I'm gonna sign off and I hope you guys have a great night. Bye.